magkano yung 150k per month, sakit siguro ng tax. Tignan natin kung magkano ba ang magiging tax mo kung ikaw ay isang freelancer na kumikita ng 150k per month. Itong example na ipapakita ko ay isang freelancer earning 150k per month and using the 8% income tax rate option. 150k multiplied by 12 months, annual income is 1.8 million. And then meron tayong non-taxable income na 250,000 per year. I-less natin yan, ang taxable income 1,550,000 multiplied by 8%. Ang tax ng isang freelancer na kumikita ng 150k per month ay 124,000 sa loob ng isang taon. Pero since quarterly po ang tax filing natin ng ITR at pati pagbayad ng tax, ganito po ang magiging breakdown. First quarter, 16,000. Second, third, saka annual ITR ay 36,000. Total of 124,000. I-share ko na rin po kung paano kinocompute ang ating income tax return. Ang pag-compute po natin ng ITR ay cumulative. Using our example na 150,000 monthly income, first quarter, 3 months po ang every quarter. Kaya multiply by 3, total income is 450,000. Add po natin yung previous income, 0 since first quarter pa lang ang fina-file natin. Cumulative income is 450,000. Less non-taxable na 250,000. Ang taxable income po ay 200,000 multiply by 8%. Ang tax po ay 16,000 pesos. Dito naman po tayo sa second quarter, same 450,000 ang total income. I-add natin yung previous quarter income na 450,000. Cumulative income is 900,000. Less non-taxable income na 250,000. May taxable income po na 650,000 multiply by 8%. 52,000. Pero ibabawas din po natin yung binayaran natin sa first quarter na 16,000. Kaya ang tax payable ay 36,000 para sa ating second quarter ITR. Dito naman po tayo sa third quarter, pareho din po 150,000 times 3. Total income is 450k plus previous income na 900,000. Cumulative income is 1,350,000. Ibabawas po natin yung non-taxable income na 250,000. Ang taxable income is 1,100,000. Multiply by 8%, ang tax due is 88,000. Pero ibabawas po natin yung binayaran natin ng first and second quarter. First, 16,000 plus second quarter, 36,000. I-less po natin total of 52,000. Ang tax payable for the third quarter ITR is 36,000. Dito na po tayo sa annual ITR, wala po tayong fourth quarter ITR. Ang susunod na po sa third quarter ITR ay annual income tax return. So ito na siya, income for the whole year from January to December. 150k multiplied by 12 months is 1.8 million. Less non-taxable income na 250,000. Taxable income is 1,550,000. Multiply by 8%, ang tax due ay 124,000. Pero ibabawas mo po lahat ng binayaran ng first, second, and third quarter. 16,000 plus 36,000 plus 36,000, total of 88,000. 124,000 tax due less 88,000 na tax payment previous quarters. Ang tax payable po sa annual ITR ay 36,000. Pag pinagsama po natin lahat ng binayaran ng first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, saka annual ITR, ang total pa rin po ay 124,000. So ganyan po kinocompute ang ating income tax return using the 8% income tax rate option. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.